Well, hello and welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this video, I'm working on an Atlas, an SD35 diesel locomotive. The train I'm going to be working on is the Atlas EMD SD35 diesel. The Santa Fe, the yellow and blue paint scheme. To get in here, you just have to separate it a little bit. The pin is right there. And the other one is on this side. Shell does come up. Once you get it, it slides right off with the shell on the side. Did mark the front a little bit. There is a little scratch put right there, so I know which way the chassis should face. You get to axle area, just loosen these wires. Take this little wire support off. And do the same for the other side. I'm going to take these wires off the motor. I could service it a lot easier. And the motor should just come right off. Just pushed in these little rubber things, motor mounts, as they're called. Moving the trucks by sliding back a little bit and down. Oh, there we go. Moving the wheel cover plate. This all needs to be cleaned. I don't see anything broken. Except this piece that I have to glue back on. So to get it off, put the screwdriver in the corner and just give it a little twist and it'll pop off. And then you could pull it out. There are no gears broken, which is good. You want to get this lubrication off this old stuff. Alright, it's all been cleaned, lubricated, put back together. Now I got to get this in, wheels, the trucks back in. I did notice it is missing one of the arms. Might be able to make one using an old plastic railroad tie. Using a little CA and baking soda, I attached it to the truck. Installing the trucks and the chassis. Slip it on. push it forward. And there we go. And this piece didn't break off. That's good. So the front is on this way. That's the way I'm going to put the motor. Put the drive shafts back in. Line it up with the groove. Push the motor down. Solder the wires back on. First the black wires on the front truck. Then the red wires of the rear truck. Here it is, all put back together. Broken the motor by running it 30 minutes forward and 30 minutes reverse. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.